Hello everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into one of the most exciting gaming laptops of 2025, the Acer Nitro V gaming laptop, model ANV16-41 or 5J0. If you're looking for powerful performance, smooth gameplay, and a future-ready design at a competitive price, this laptop deserves your attention. Let's break it down in detail. At the heart of this Nitro V is the AMD Ryzen 7 8845HS processor. This is an octa-core, AI-capable CPU built on the latest Zen 4 architecture. What does that mean for you? It means faster load times, better multitasking, and improved AI features that can boost gaming and creative workflows. Whether you're streaming, editing videos, or running demanding games, this processor delivers the performance you need without compromise. Now, no gaming laptop is complete without a strong GPU, and Acer has equipped this model with the NVIDIA GeForce RTX 4060 graphics card. With support for ray tracing and DLSS 3, you'll enjoy realistic lighting, shadows, and smooth frame rates, even in AAA titles. The RTX 4060 strikes a great balance between performance and efficiency, making it perfect for competitive eSports players as well as casual gamers who want the latest visual features. Let's talk about the display, because gamers know this makes all the difference. The Nitro V comes with a 16-inch WUXGA IPS panel running at a 165Hz refresh rate. That high refresh rate ensures ultra-smooth visuals, reduced motion blur, and a serious edge in fast-paced games. The wide viewing angles and crisp resolution also make it great for watching movies or doing creative work like photo editing. Under the hood, you're getting 16GB of DDR5 RAM, which is perfect for modern gaming and multitasking. Paired with a lightning-fast 1TB Gen 4 SSD, you'll enjoy near-instant boot times, fast game loading, and plenty of space for your library, applications, and media files. And since this is a Gen 4 SSD, transfer speeds are significantly higher compared to older generations. For connectivity, this Nitro V doesn't disappoint. It features Wi-Fi 6E, offering lower latency, higher bandwidth, and more reliable wireless performance, especially in crowded environments. That means smoother online gaming sessions, faster downloads, and stable streaming without lag. The design of the Nitro V is sleek yet aggressive, staying true to Acer's gaming DNA. The cooling system is efficient, keeping the laptop cool under pressure so you can game longer without worrying about overheating. Plus, the keyboard features a gamer-friendly layout, and the overall build quality feels durable and solid. So, who is this laptop for? If you're a gamer looking for smooth 1080p or even 1440p performance, a student who needs both power and portability, or a content creator working with video and graphics, the Acer Nitro V gaming laptop with Ryzen 7 8845HS and RTX 4060 is an excellent choice. It balances cutting-edge specs with reliable performance, making it a future-proof investment for 2025 and beyond. To sum it all up, AMD Ryzen 7 8845HS processor for AI-powered performance. NVIDIA RTX 4060 GPU with ray tracing and DLSS. 16-inch WUXGA 165Hz IPS display for smooth visuals. 16GB DDR5 RAM and a huge 1TB Gen 4 SSD. Wi-Fi 6E for faster, lag-free online gaming. This is the Acer Nitro V gaming laptop, model ANV16-41 or 5J0, a machine built for gamers, creators, and power users. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and drop your questions in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Reference link below description. Thank you.